अभी जिस रूम में हम रह रहे वहाँ का जो विंडो है, विंडो व्यू नहीं है, तो रिक्वेस्ट कर रहा हूँ अगर हमें दूसरा कोई अच्छा सा रूम दे जहाँ से व्यू भी अच्छा नज़र आए, और ताकि हम फिर यहीं पे स्टे कर दें। नहीं तो हम यहाँ से फिर मूव हो जाएंगे दूसरी लोकेशन, दूसरा होटल, सिर्फ व्यू की वजह से।
I don't have many rooms in that side, you know. In each floor there is just 2 rooms, but all is full. Thanks so much. Your room?
It's 102.
Today it's your checkout day.
Yeah.
How many you want? Okay, I have a room. For them I don't have because they are 2 men. You are family, yeah?
Yeah, we are family. तो इनके पास रूम है, विंडो रूम, सो लेट्स सी। देवा रूम्स मंगा सरस्ता भूल गया वहाँ से प्राइस के 5 दिन का स्टे और चाहिए, और वो कितने का देंगे। How much would it cost, like, if we getting
the deluxe room?
Yeah,
$115.
115, right?
For 5 nights, $575.
575. So if you're staying another 5,
yeah,
and you will move us to the
room is same category but mosque side.
This side, yeah.
Just pick up their luggage, and the other room is still cleaning now.
Still cleaning.
It's not ready.
Sure.
So what you want to go outside, or you will?
No, shall I pay now, or shall I come back and then pay?
It's better I close the.
Oh, okay, sure. Once this closed, then we'll go. Thank you so much for that. Cheers. So another 5 nights, I may £550 का पड़ा है। Hello, Nani ready da? What is the luggage ready? Calling from 102. Okay, so you're sending somebody. All right, thank you. Bye. So अभी हम दूसरे रूम शिफ्ट हो रहे। Yeah. Hello, hi. Yeah, just for the bags. Let me just. And we got a bigger one as well. No, big room, does it? Okay. That's quite heavy. There you go. Chili. Or his sensitive stuff has got camera, or maybe bring here, yeah, more safe. Yeah, the rest we can carry. Which room?
310.
It's 3rd floor?
No, 3 floor.
3rd floor, yeah. Okay, 310. I'll see you. Okay, thank you. Yeah, we're checking out. Yeah, checking out. Thank you. तो अभी 3rd floor जा रहे. Was big room, was okay? Yeah. No, okay. Mommy राजी, okay, mommy baby रावली, okay? तो अभी 3rd floor जा रहे, और 3rd floor जो जहाँ से व्यू भी बहुत अच्छा है, तो इसलिए हम लोगों ने रिक्वेस्ट किया था अगर हम एक्स्ट्रा स्टे कर रहे तो हमें अच्छा रूम दे। So okay, great. Thank you very much. And yeah, thank you. Yes, sofa bed, and we need a baby coat. Sorry? This one? Yeah. That's fine. Thank you. Just baby coat, small baby. This baby bed, small baby bed.
Big?
No. Hello? No. Basically, we have the coat. If they can move the coat as well, like, yeah. Okay, sure. Thank you. Yeah.
Efendim abi?
Thank you. Yeah, take care. Nuni, wavar undi. Tata wo gori varsa. Yeah. Nuni khoshi re. Okay. क्यों के ले रहा था मम्मी राहुल वाला बिहार तो ये भी बिजनेस क्लास है। Okay, Radha, quickly. Rasa chocolate rava khima mamim ravale, okay? Shoes. Okay, apple shoes. वैसे चेक इन हम लोगों ने कर लिया, सिर्फ पेमेंट मुझे करना होगा, तो जो 5 नाइट्स का है। तो अभी नीचे जा रहा हूँ रिसेप्शन पेमेंट करने के लिए। Thank you so much. That was a pretty good room.
Yeah.
So let me just look at it. I'm paying by card.
22'sinde.
Is your pin police?
Yes, sir. Thank you so much.